Toyota's Venerable off-roader gets a new redesign, a new hybrid powertrain, and tougher Trailhunter trim. The last time the Toyota 4Runner came out new, President Obama was new to the Oval Office and the Black Eyed Peas were at the top of the Billboard charts. This was 15 years ago. There's now a new 4Runner finally, and even though Toyota has rebuilt its iconic off-roader from the ground up, it retains its rugged spirit. Also based on the new Tacoma, the 2025 4Runner uses the same TNGA-F truck architecture. It ditches the old 4.0-liter V6 and 5-speed automatic in favor of a standard turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 278 horsepower and 378 pound-feet of torque. That's 8 more HP than the current 4Runner and a whopping 100 additional pound-feet. The optional iForce Max hybrid version of the same engine produces 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft. Both of these powertrains ditch the old 5-speed in favor of a new 8-speed automatic transmission. Unfortunately, there is no manual to be found. The 4Runner will be offered with two-wheel drive, part-time four-wheel drive and full-time four-wheel drive, depending on how you specify it. All 2WD models will feature a limited slip differential, while 4WD models will feature the same LSD and electronically controlled 2-speed transfer case with high and low-range gearing, as well as Toyota's active traction control A-Track. There's also what Toyota calls the new stabilizer bar disconnect mechanism for better articulation. This one-button access system allows the 4Runner to flex while keeping its tires on the ground. The 4Runner has a 32-degree approach and 24-degree departure angle. And the new 4Runner promises to be even more capable. Mud, dirt and sand modes and a quieter crawl control function join the party in 2025, while new Trailhunter hardware, borrowed from the Tacoma, joins the rest of the lineup. Buyers will be able to choose from 9 4Runner trims: SR5, TRD Sport, TRD Sport Premium, TRD Off-Road, TRD Off-Road Premium, Limited, Platinum, TRD Pro and the aforementioned Trailhunter, the toughest of the bunch. The 4Runner Trailhunter has 33-inch all-terrain tires that raise the ride height by 2.0 inches in the front and 1.5 inches in the rear. 2.5-inch Old Man Emu forged shocks with ARB-free reservoirs dot the corners of the suspension. There's also an ARB-designed roof rack, a high-mounted air intake for the iForce Max powertrain standard on the Trailhunter, a 20-inch light bar, and steel skid plates. These compelling upgrades are combined with new visual elements like the Toyota Heritage Grille with bronze Toyota lettering. Customers who aren't particularly interested in off-roading can opt for the new 4Runner Limited trim. The flashiest 4Runner features black accents on the exterior, while the interior features premium upgrades like a heated second row, a head-up display, and automatic rain-sensing wipers. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner comes standard with an 8.0-inch touchscreen and 7.0-inch digital instrument cluster, but a 14.0-inch touchscreen with a 12.3-inch digital cluster is also available in higher grades. There's wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, wireless charging, and both USB-A and USB-C outputs. Every version of the new 4Runner gets Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 standard, including equipment such as automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, road sign recognition, and high beam assist. One thing we don't know is how much this new 4Runner costs. The 2024 model starts at $42,100 with destination, so we expect the new 2025 model to cost a little more than that. By comparison, the new Toyota Tacoma starts at $32,995. The new 4Runner will go on sale later this year.